Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you how to divide your web page into two sections. Okay, and how to insert audio file which supports multiple sources. Okay, multiple audio files. So the first program is write HTML5 code with CSS as follows. So the first point is create order list with names of tourist city. So there is one list having specific order using OL tag. Okay, the second point is create an order list with tourist places of those cities. Okay, according to the order list, write down the unordered list, and this unordered list contains the tourist places of those cities which are in order list. Then third is divide the list into two sections, left and right, by using CSS. So there are multiple ways to divide these web pages into multiple sections using frame sections or using division tag, but here we are using different tags. Okay, aside and section tag. So let's see this program. So as usual, write down all the basic tags. Then next is the style tag. So here in the style tag, here we are using aside. Okay, why we use aside? Because it defines the content apart from the content. Okay, and here we are applying this aside. Okay, this style on aside, and which are the style? That is background color equal to blue, height and width of that part, okay, or of that section, okay, that is 50% height and 50% width, that is among total web page. Okay, 100%, here we are using 50% height and 50% width for aside tag, and the background color is blue. Then float equal to right. So here we are using float, so it shows the flowing of your, how your HTML elements are flowing, or how it display on the screen. Okay, that is flow of your program. Then its value is right. So all these attributes or all these sentence or heading or whatever you are applying on this aside, it is displayed on the right side of your web page. Okay, then section, next line is the section. Again we are applying this style on section. So again write down background color equal to yellow. So color of this section is different, yellow color. Again height and width is 50%. Okay, so half part is assigned for assigned section, assigned part, aside part, and second is for section. Then float equal to left. So for your web page, left part is for section and right part is for aside. Then next aside close, section over, then style tag close, head tag close. So here we are applying these styles within head, that is the, it is the part of internal CSS. Then body tag open, then write down header. Then first is the P tag. Okay, that is the paragraph, in which here we are using the heading, that is tourist list. Then tourist list, then next is the tourist cities. Now here we have to mention all these tourist cities within order list. So write down OL tag. Okay, that is order list. Then write down the list items of that order list, that is suppose tourist cities are Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, etc. Then order list tag close, and here the section is close, so closing of section tag. Okay, why we are using here section? Because section defines a section in a document. So here it defines a separate section on your web page. Then next is the aside tag. Okay, so in that, first write down in heading tourist places, and then these tourist places, it displays all the list within unordered list. Okay, so unordered list tag, then it uses ul tag. So ul for unordered list, then write down its type, means disk, circle or square, etc. So here we are writing disk. Then write down the list items of that tourist places, and then ul tag close, that is unordered list tag close, and then aside tag close, body close and html close. So this is the simple program which divide your web page into two sections. So first one is the aside, second is section. But flow of your program, it shows all the elements within the section which displays at the left side of your web page and aside at the right side of your web page within different HTML elements and tag, and which are using different background color. This is the output of your program. See, there are two sections of your web page. So first one which we declare in section tag, that is which uses order list. Okay, tourist cities and order list items are Pune, Bangalore and Mumbai. So these are the, this one is the part of section tag, and another is aside tag, using aside tag, and it uses unordered list and which shows the tourist places. So section tag having yellow background and aside tag having blue background. Okay, so we are applying these styles on these two parts, that is section and aside, and see the height and width. Okay, both this section and aside having height equal to 50% and width equal to 50%. Now the second program is create a web page name audio.html to set a audio file in web page with controls such that it uses HTML5 elements. The audio file must play as soon as the web page load in browser, and it will start over again every time when it is completed. So here we are creating audio files or audio web page using audio controls. So here audio controls means play, pause button, etc. Okay, so it should be displayed on the screen using controls attribute. And to play that song or to play that audio file again and again, here we are using loop attribute. Second is create another web page name audio1.html which provides multiple source file format for the same audio file that plays a sound automatically with controls. So here we are using autoplay attribute. Okay, so it will play automatically when it loads on the browser. The browser should display the message with appropriate attribute. When audio file is not supported by browser, the code must incorporate the list of sound files formats, so like WAV, MP3 and OGG. So in the second part we are going to insert multiple sources of audio files. If first one is unable to start on that browser, then it will jump to the next line and try for the second line. Okay, so let's start. So the first part of this program which contains audio files. Okay, so it starts with all the basic HTML elements, HTML tags. Then in the body tag, first write down in paragraph audio sample, or you can write here within h1 element. Okay, h1 tag. Then next is the syntax for audio file insertion. So it starts with audio tag. Okay, audio, then src. Src means source of that file, that is equal to test.mp3, which is available on your computer. Then type equal to audio or mp3, so it will accept audio mp3 files. Then loop equal to 5 means, so this attribute loop, it will play your music or your audio files 5 times, means when it is completed, then it will start again and playing automatically. So that is the repetition of your audio file. Then next is the controls. Why we are using here controls? Because using these controls, it will display all the controls regarding the audio files, it will display on the screen. Then audio tag close and body tag close, HTML close. So in the first section, our aim is it will repeat again and again, so that's why here we are using loop attribute. Okay, once it is finished, it will again repeat, it will start automatically. Okay, and here value is 5 times, means it will repeat it 5 times. And the second is the to display controls. So this is the output of this program. It shows all the controls of that audio file, that is play pause button and the volume button. In the second part, it will accept all the multiple resources file. Okay, so see here in the body tag, it starts with audio tag. Okay, so audio, then controls, and then autoplay. So controls is used to display controls. And why we are using here autoplay? Once we load a file on the browser, then it will automatically play your audio file. Okay, so there is no need to start your audio file, it will automatically play your file. That's why we are using here autoplay. Then next is the source, then src. So here we are using source because in audio tag, okay, so in the previous program we are inserting only one file, single file, but here we are using multiple files, so we are using here source tag. So in that source, write down src first source file having having different extension, that is mp3. Okay, then second is dot wav and then ogg. So these are the different files. See the type of that audio files. If first .mp3 file is not supported by your web browser, then it will jump to the second line. Again the second type is not unable to open on your web browser, then it will try to the third line. So in this case, here we are using multiple audio files. Okay, I think all of you understand this code. Now note down this assignment number 6 in your IT notebook. So these are the two basic HTML problems. So solve it properly. Write down proper HTML tags, use proper attributes and font size, font style, whatever is mentioned in the question. So according to you, write down properly. Okay, thank you.